This video here is going to be geared towards my 11th gen Civic owners that have the hatchback and the manual transmission, but not the sport touring. As you guys know, I've complained about this in some videos I made originally when I bought this car 3 years ago, that the center console cover, that fabric it comes with, and just the padding on it is not ideal. So today what I'm going to be doing is swapping it out with a leather unit from Honda. So this is the center console cover that comes with the sport touring manual transmission or the Integra model. So the Civic gets a kind of a rectangular center console with all the CVT models, but it gets this funky U-shaped cutout, smaller center console cover when you have a manual transmission. But if you buy an Acura Integra, whether you have a CVT or a manual Integra, always gets this style center console cover. So this one actually is from eBay, from an Acura Integra 2023, but it's definitely the same exact part number as the one that comes in the sport touring. So it's leather, OEM leather with the silver stitching, which is going to match the rest of the interior on this car absolutely perfect. All right, so why am I swapping it out? Well, I've complained about it in previous videos. The factory one that has this fabric to it, this kind of rough fabric, it's not very nice on the skin. It kind of gets dirty easy, though my car's 3 years old now and it really isn't too bad. I've kept up with it, but the padding's not ideal. It's got this funky lip that my elbow always rides on when I'm driving, and had my hand on the wheel and my elbow kind of rests in this area, and it's got this like hard lip right here that really is annoying. This leather one, I don't know if it has much better padding. It's much easier to clean. It does feel a little softer. So I found this on eBay for $30 because this latch was broken on it. So it was quite the find, because all you have to do is pop out the 4 screws, Phillips head screws on it, and swap over just the cover to replace the factory one, which I will show you here in a minute. But as you can see, they both have the silver stitching. Taking a look at the rest of the sport interior, the shift knob is leather, which is a touch point. The steering wheel is leather, which is a touch point. And the edges of the seat are all leather. So you have leather surrounding a fabric center console cover. So it only really makes sense, and it won't really look out of place putting this to leather too, because you're gonna have all your touch points be leather besides the door cards now. Maybe in the future I'll consider swapping these out with the leather ones if I find any, but that's more of a project. Definitely search on eBay for them, monthly, weekly, whatever it takes to find one of these pop up from a wrecked car. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is remove the screws from the new leather piece. Just pull up on it. It's got 2 little clips that pop it on. But yeah, I bought that whole assembly just for this piece right here. The nice part about this is you don't have to take any of this off the car. Give it a little push, pop the clips out on both sides, and there we have it. So this is kind of what the unit looks like without a cover on it. The latch and everything stays attached. This thing is extremely cheap and chintzy, as I've complained about in the other videos, and there's no way to slide it forward like previous Civics, which really helped with the elbow placement, especially when you're not running 2 drinks in the cup holder. You don't need this cutout to be here. So it's pretty annoying they cheaped out on this, but hopefully this makes it feel a little more premium with this swap. All right, so to pop this new one on, just gonna lay it over, push down to those clips. Now they don't really snap in, but holds pretty well. So that was a quick, less than 5-minute install to make the interior feel a lot more premium for under 30 bucks in my case. The stitching matches the silver stitching on the seats absolutely perfect. And this would have been nice if it came with the car, because it kind of complements all the other leather touch points on the car just perfectly. So thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what you think. Get on eBay, start a search for these, search every week or something until you find one for a reasonable price. Hopefully they're not too much more at the time of making this video. But yeah, it seems like a really cheap way to spice up and make the interior on your sport model feel a little more premium. Thanks for watching, guys. Give the video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one.